In this video, I am using some cake pop mold by Cakes of Eden. Go ahead and choose any cake batter you want and put 1 tablespoon of batter into the little cups. Place the top on and make sure that seal is tight and stick it in the oven. There's also heart-shaped cake pops. Bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 10 to 12 minutes. Oh, see that steam coming off? Smells good. And I'll stick these in the refrigerator while I melt some candy melts. Once I've got that chocolate all melted, I'll take a little sucker stick and dip just a little bit on the end, stick it in the pops. Then one by one, I will dip the cake into the chocolate. It still looks a little rough, so I'm going to double dip them. This one is going to be upside down, so I drain the excess off, tap it a little bit, and stick it in the tray that is also included in the cake pop set. I do the same thing with the heart cake pops.